Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick English Talk, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I'm happy to be here again.
How are you today, Mark?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Of course. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Quick English Talk.
Yes, please like this video and share it with your friends. It really helps us.
Thank you so much. So, Sarah, what are we learning today?
Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about our daily routine.
Daily routine. You mean the things we do every day?
Yes, exactly, from morning to night.
That's a great topic for beginners. Morning routine. Let's start with the morning. Sarah, what do you do first?
First, I wake up.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. And then?
Then I get up from bed. Sometimes I stay in bed for a minute, but not long.
Same here. After that?
I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water.
That sounds refreshing.
Yes, it helps me feel awake. Then I brush my teeth.
Very important. I do the same.
After that, I get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
I wear simple clothes like a shirt and pants.
I usually wear a t-shirt and jeans.
Breakfast time. Then it's time for breakfast, my favorite part.
Mine too. What do you eat?
I eat cereal with milk. It's quick and easy.
And what do you drink?
I drink tea. I love tea.
Nice. I prefer coffee. I drink coffee every morning.
Do you add milk or sugar?
Yes, a little milk and 1 sugar. I also eat toast with butter or jam.
That sounds delicious.
Going to work. After breakfast, I go to work. How do you go?
I go by bus. It's easy because the bus stop is near my home.
I drive my car. It takes about 20 minutes.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, sometimes. What about you?
I listen to music or podcasts.
At work. What do you do at work?
I work in a shop. I help customers.
That's nice. You talk to many people.
Yes, I say, hello, can I help you?
I work in an office. I use a computer, write emails, and talk on the phone.
That sounds quiet.
Yes, very quiet compared to your job.
Lunchtime. Around 1 p.m., I have lunch.
Me too. What do you eat?
I bring a sandwich from home. Cheese and tomato. I also eat fruit.
That's healthy. I usually go to a small cafe.
What do you eat there?
I eat salad or soup and drink water.
After work. After work, I go home by bus.
I drive home, but sometimes there is traffic.
When I get home, I change my clothes and relax.
Same here. I sit on the sofa for a few minutes.
Evening activities. What do you do in the evening?
Sometimes I go for a walk in the park.
That's healthy.
Yes, it helps me relax. What about you?
I relax, check my phone, or read something.
Dinner time. Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook simple food like soup or an omelet.
I cook pasta or chicken with rice and vegetables.
That sounds tasty.
Do you watch TV while eating?
No, I like to eat quietly. What about you?
Sometimes I watch the news.
Free time. After dinner, I have free time.
What do you like to do?
I read books or listen to music.
I watch movies or TV shows. I like comedy.
I also call my family sometimes.
That's very nice.
Night routine. At night, I get ready for bed.
What do you do?
I brush my teeth and change into pajamas.
I take a shower first, then brush my teeth.
What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Good sleep is very important.
Ending. So that is our daily routine using simple English.
Yes, you can use these sentences too.
Try saying, I wake up at 8 o'clock or eat rice for lunch.
Simple sentences are the best way to learn.
Thank you for watching Quick English Talk.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, what do you eat for breakfast?
Yes, we would love to know.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.